Let's pack a punch with flavor today. I'm gonna show you how to make a flourless chocolate cake with a strawberry compote, and we're gonna have cocktail hour. Let's get in the kitchen and bake it. All you gluten-free lovers out there, this is perfect for you. If you're not gluten-free like me, it is still delicious. It's dense, it's fudgy, it's gooey, full of chocolate flavor. The ingredients for this flourless chocolate cake, simple. We're gonna use butter, chocolate, sugar, and eggs. Egg yolks and egg whites. So butter in, chocolate, and sugar. We wanna get our chocolate and butter and sugar melted together. I'm gonna use this on a bain-marie, better known as a double boiler. You can mix all these ingredients together and put it in the microwave, but it has to be 30-second intervals because if you melt it too long, you run the risk of burning that chocolate. And once that chocolate is burnt, it is garbage. As the chocolate, butter, and sugar are melting on the double boiler, we're gonna start with our eggs. I have my glass bowl, egg whites in, you can see our egg whites are nice and frothy at this point. Now on low speed, we're slowly gonna put our sugar in. The trick to know when your egg whites are done and stiff peak, just lift the bowl above your head. If it doesn't come out, you're good. Transfer this to a different bowl. We're gonna put our egg yolks into here, and then we're gonna whip those to a ribbon stage. We want to bring that volume in the egg yolks, and you want that pale yellow look. See how pale that is? And we're at a ribbon. So when you go like that with your egg yolks, you'll see it'll leave a ribbon on the top. So our chocolate is done. We're gonna take this off the double boiler. So what I wanna do now is I'm gonna slowly pour a little bit of chocolate into my egg yolks. I'm gonna mix it to lighten it and help let it cool down. We don't wanna throw all that chocolate right in at once because you run the risk too of seizing it. Egg yolks are cold, chocolate is somewhat warm, so we don't wanna shock it. We wanna temper it together. So now we're good. We're gonna put the rest of this chocolate in. This is our base of the cake before the egg whites go in. I have my spring release pan. We're gonna spray this, line this with parchment, get our batter in. We're gonna bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. You'll be able to tell, we don't want it jiggly. It's gonna rise up, and then when we pull it out, it's gonna deflate, but then it's gonna give that nice crust on the top of it, so you're gonna get that texture of the gooiness inside and that crunch on the outside. So while the cake's in the oven, we're gonna quickly make our cooked strawberry compote infused with Fireball. I'm using Fireball because I like the spicy notes and it adds that cinnamon flavor, so it just brings everything together. I got my little pot like this, and all we wanna do is add our strawberries in, Fireball in, sugar in. We're gonna get that onto the stove, high heat. We're gonna cook this quickly. We wanna keep that structure of the strawberry, so this is a fast procedure. That's all we're looking for. The structure of the strawberry is still there, so you get a bite when you bite into it. You can smell the strawberry aroma. You can smell the spicy notes, the cinnamon from the Fireball, the sweetness. Yeah, that's delicious. In the meantime, the cake is still going. Our strawberry compote is done. Our whipped cream is whipped. Time is it? It's cocktail time. We're using strawberries, we're using chocolate, so let's keep with the same theme. I'm gonna show you a strawberry chocolate martini. I love martinis, I love all cocktails, let's be honest. We have strawberry puree, which I've cooked down and made from the strawberries. I've just taken the juice out, that will add the strawberry flavor. Got my shaker, take that out. We're gonna add some ice in there. Put our puree in. Vodka, half an ounce of chocolate liqueur, our Baileys, and half and half cream, about a quarter of an ounce. In. Voila, garnish with a couple strawberries. OMG, look at that. Finishing touches, icing sugar. Strawberry compote. We got our whipped cream ready. Just dollop it everywhere in between the strawberries. Grated chocolate. There's nothing wrong with more chocolate. There you have it, flourless chocolate cake. Try this one at home. It's dense, it's full of flavor, it's fudgy. You get that strawberry punch in there, you get a Fireball punch. That chocolate flavor is mind-blowing. pair it with the strawberry martini, you are set for the day. If you enjoyed this recipe, like and subscribe for more like this, and I will see you next time. 2 thumbs up.